All right, good morning, everyone. Tony Laporta here with TonyLaporta.com. Email address Tony@TonyLaporta.com. Anyhow, oh wow, 32 and a half. I bought some of those, I bought some S&Ps down there a little bit lower. Cool. Anyhow, as you could see, I am, this is one of my favorite places in America, actually, where I am in Marshfield, Massachusetts. And I'm sitting on a summer porch or on a porch, and I have my whole setup here, two laptops and a monitor, but I have these sheets covering the windows to keep the glare down. So as you can see, we may be shooting numbers, but this is still, it's not glamorous, and that's why I love coming here. This has been my fourth or fifth time that I've come in the last, I think it's my fourth time in 5 years. So all that being said, in the email, I've explained what I want to do in the soybeans. So over the next couple of days, if we can get a rally, and I think we're going to get a rally, I'll start selling the July against my November and run. I'm not going to sell the whole position, but I'm going to run it sort of as a spread, and then be able to take, some of the longs, and then a spread into the Friday data. As we speak, we have S&Ps now up near their highs, 2 3/4 offered at 3. The bonds are 31 bid at 00. I don't like this bond market. I didn't like it, even though they went and just set a new daily high up at 04, which was by a tick, and now it's failing here. So, I've got some positions on at the moment. So especially in the soybeans. So I'm not trying to over egg omelets, shall we say, but I am long the S&Ps, and I like this market up. I definitely like the market up. I mean, the Nasdaq's coming back this morning, trading 75. Everything's looking good again. It looks like the S&P's lagged to the downside, and now it looks like the Nasdaq's going to take them higher again. We'll see what 93 1/4 was yesterday's high. So we'll see how they act up there. But if we can get any kind of now erosion in the bond market, I do believe that money will come out of bonds. I just got a funny feeling that they're buying these bonds as a hedge against the UK elections, Comey, French elections over the weekend, and in the day of Brexit and Trump and over, where the polls were wrong. I think those days are over. I think we need to get back to, I don't know, but I think the bond market is a short, and the stock market refuses to come off. We should be looking for the pit below on Thursday, Friday, but if, the UK elections go according to plan, that would put a boost into the stock market. If Comey gets up there and doesn't bury the president, that will put a boost into the stock market. And this could be one of those months where the pit bull low never happens, or we're going to get one. So all that being said, good luck out there today. I have a decent sized position in these soybeans, so that's kind of where my efforts are at the most. Like I've been writing, that's all you have to do is pull up your weather.com app on your phone and look at what the weather is going to be like for the next 7 to 10 days in Des Moines, in Springfield, Illinois. These are all huge, bean and corn beans and soy, bean and corn states. Look at Kansas City. I mean, Kansas City's like mid to upper 90s for the next 7 to 10 days. No rain. So just keep an eye on things, and I'm going to be trading a lot of grains in the next 2 years. So if that's not working for you, I'll still write about the SPOOs and the bonds, but I'm going to be trading a lot of grains. I mean, yesterday we saw the S&P's trading a 3-handle range for like 4 hours. So we need to think about trading other markets. So that's about all I have. This is Tony Laporta with TonyLaporta.com signing off.